Hey friends, welcome back. I'm really excited today because we are kicking off something brand new together. If you've been building apps with Swift and Swift UI, you are going to love what we are diving into next. Backend development with Vapor. Yep, backend stuff, but entirely in Swift. No more switching languages, no more headaches. And hey, if you are new to this and the terminal sounds a bit scary, trust me, I've been there too. We are going to take it slow and easy. By the end, you'll feel totally comfortable building awesome web apps. So, if you're ready to step up your Swift game, hit subscribe, give this video a like for good luck, and let's jump right into it. Let's go to the Vapor website, official website here. So, vapor.codes here. Swift, but on a server, Vapor provides a safe, performant, and easy-to-use foundation to build HTTP server, backend, and APIs in Swift. So, if you are building apps with Swift and Swift UI, you can also build your own API with Swift. So, no more learning a new language for backend development and so on and so forth. So, here it goes. We can just see what are the features here. The Vapor builds efficient API in a language you love, create routes, send and receive JSONs, and build HTTP servers. Fluent, create model and interact with your database in native, safe Swift code without needing to write any SQL here. We can learn more and read more. And they support JWT, create, sign, and verify JSON web tokens in Swift built on top of the Swift crypto. And you can use Live templates to generate HTML for both web apps and emails with a simple syntax anyone can use. They're high performance. It is obvious that is because they are using Swift. Ship with confidence even on Friday. Also built with Swift. You can use the Swift features, error handling features to just be confident with your with what you're building. So the full integration with entire stack and so on and so forth. Their website has a complete showcases here. You can use the showcases plus an extension, and you can use the docs here that we are going to study in the few tutorial. So here we have the docs of the version 4.114.1 of Vapor. Also, you can open their GitHub, and you can also check out the repo here. They're open source. So here it goes. We have to install it first. On macOS and Linux, they are available. So in this video, we are going to do macOS, and the next video, I will teach you how to do the Linux. So Linux friends, don't worry about it. I will create a tutorial for you too. So to use Vapor on macOS, you will need Swift 5.9 or greater. Swift and all of its dependencies can come bundled with Xcode. So you have to install Xcode, but you can use VS Code also as well. So after installing the Xcode install the Swift for you automatically. So here you can use your terminal here. Let me just open my terminal here and terminal. And here goes my terminal. Let me just open it. Let me just open this new one. This is nicer. So I just go to the, yeah, this is good, I think. Yeah, good. So I just type Swift version Swift dash dash version, and yep, we have Swift 6.1, so it is greater than 5.9, then we are good to go. And you have to, you should see Swift version information like this. Vapor 4 requires Swift 5.9 or greater. So you have to install the Vapor toolbox then. So if you don't have the Homebrew on your macOS, you have to install the Homebrew. You can just copy and paste this command here like this on your control and just run this command. It will install it for you. Or you can just download the .pkg installer. It is very awesome. And yeah, this is the package manager for macOS or Linux. Okay, after installing this tool, you have to install the brew avec with brew install vapor. Sorry about my French. Yeah. Okay, let me just clear this up. Yeah. Okay. So I already installed it, so you can just also say brew install vapor. Yeah, it is downloading for us. I have it right there. So here you have to ensure that Vapor is installed on your computer. So you have to say Vapor dash dash help. A tip here, if you are seeing the command Vapor, if you type Vapor dash dash help and your terminal say the command not found, just try to restart your terminal. You can just manually close it and reopen it, or you can just do this command that restart terminal. Yeah, restart terminal. Yeah, you can source. I will use this source. And here it goes, ZSHRC, and it restarts for you. But the simple one is to just manually close the terminal and reopen it, and then you're good to go. So here it goes. Then we have the Vapor on our system. This is good. We are done here for the installing. Also, you can use the make file to install it. If you don't want to use a Homebrew, you can also check out the tutorial here. You can use it. And we are going to get started here. And hello world. So, install on macOS. We have the installation. So here it goes. Let me just, yeah. Don't worry about the commands here. They are just like change my directory to my desktop. And I create a directory Vapor, and then I go to my Vapor directory. Then I will create a new Vapor app here by using just Vapor new, and then the name of the app, hello world, and just dash n. We use dash n because we want to just flag that automatically answering no to the question. We use the dash n flag to do that, to automatically say no to all the question. Here you will see when I press the enter, so cloning the template for us. Yeah, as you see, would you like to use Fluent or no, and something like this, and leave no, and yeah. So here it is the important thing here that they say to open your project, for example, if you use Xcode, open package.swift or code dot if you're using VS Code. I will show you the both. So I will go to my hello world directory here. We have it. So alias, yeah, we have directory. So I use open package.swift and it will open the Xcode for me, and also I can just use code dots to open the Visual Studio in it. So as you see, we have it on Visual Studio. You can see we have all the packages here, all the routes here, and so on and so forth. Don't worry, I will get into it. So I just want to use Xcode, but you can use Visual Studio Code for developing your API with Swift. So here it goes. Let me just open the README file. So you can just use the Xcode to run it for you. Xcode will build, run the API for you, or you can just from the terminal, you can just create the build for you, save build, then run it. And if you want to test it, you can use save test. As you see, we have plenty of dependencies here with Vapor. It automatically installed for you when you open your package in Xcode. And I want to run it on terminal. So we have the swift build command here. It takes some time to grab the dependencies, build them for using it. So I just wait for the build command to complete. It is just the building process that takes time. So it takes time. There is no worries. Okay, it built for us. Build complete in 79 seconds. That's huge, I think. Yeah. Okay. We have then, according to their readme.md files, we have swift run command for running, swift run, and then we have our Swift API running on our device. So I just copy and paste this one, the URL, it works. And if I just go to the hello, let me just hello, and we see hello world. This is our API. So let me just explore it, some files here. So in the public, it's just the static files. As you know, your images, your icons, anything is static. You can put it in the public folder or public group. The main thing happens in the sources folder and folder directory, yeah. And hello world, and we have controllers here. That is nothing. We don't have controllers right now. We have three Swift files to configure. Yeah, the application configures. You can add your middleware if you have any middleware for authentication, for anything you have to put it on the middleware. You can use it as app.middleware.use. And yeah, then we have the entry point here. You have to it detects the environments, variables, it configures the app, it executes the app, and if it catch, it's async shutdown, so on and so forth. And yeah, the main thing happens in the route. So as you know, as you see, if we go to our uh, localhost port 8080 and slash, it gives us, it works. So it works here. We have the app get, and we don't specify the route. This is the slash for the home page or any other page you have. You can use it. So it works. And if I go to slash hello, it gets me hello words. So let me just say hello and hello. So as you know, I want to try something here. So let me just shut this thing down, and I want to show you how to run the your package on the Xcode. So I will add a new route here. So app.get. So something fun, I think ping. And yeah, as you know, I have installed the Copilot on Xcode. This is a cool thing. I will create a new video for it. It boosts your productivity to the moon. I personally loved it. So, and we have the request, and we have async, async. Then we want to return in string, so in, and then we want to use pop. Right there. So what's happening here? Cannot find string in scope. Yeah, sorry about that. It's like majuscule S. So here we have a new route. So if you want, you can use app.get IP as you see, and we have the request, remote address, description, or unknown. You can also return and a number here. So I get, for example, what's going on? Yeah, number, this number. Yeah, we want to a random number. Yeah, this is good. So yeah, so we create three routes here. A slash ping that gets us pong, give us pong. The IP get us the our IP, and a number, a random number, integer random number. We are using Swift, as you know, in 1, 2, and 9. So 1, 200. Sorry about that. Okay. So we are good to go. For running your Vapor package on the Xcode, you have to, here on the top of the screen, you have to make your destination on my Mac. Here, my Mac, and then hit the down button as usual that you do on the apps that you are creating for iOS or anything else on Xcode. So we are waiting to build this thing, and then we are trying, and then we are done, I think. Okay, build succeed, and yeah, I just need my password here. Okay, running it. So if you see this terminal here, that means it's running on your computer. Your API is up. So let me just, we have 5 routes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 routes. Let's try the 5 routes here. It works. So then we have hello. Hello world. We have ping. Yeah, it gives us pong. We have IP. This is our IP here. So because we are on localhost, it gives us the IP of our localhost here. So, and if I say number, gives us 38. And if I refresh, it generates a random number for us with Swift. You did it! That was your first paper project. Pretty awesome, right? I'm genuinely excited to keep building on this together. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, hit subscribe and ring the bell icon so you don't miss the next part. I really appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up. It truly helps support the channel. And drop a comment below. I love to hear how it went or if there is anything you're curious about for the next videos. Thanks a ton for watching and happy coding. Catch you next time.